Hello everyone, my name is Fred Varon, and today with Cal we are going to review how to leverage Microsoft Excel to create an insightful report of the pipeline in Dynamics CRM. So here with top line is Kyle.
That's correct, Fred. We're going to use a dynamic pivot table export to basically show some data and get real-time results from Excel. So let's take a look at what our original report looks like. And so here we have data coming in from Excel, and we can choose to add different fields and get data. So now we're going to go.
And you want to refresh probably from there too, because you just open it. So let's do that.
So we can go to data here, and we can click refresh from CRM, and any changes will then show up here. As you can see, we've had a third owner added here.
Excellent. So Cal, how easy is it to create such a report?
How
do we do that? Can you show me that?
Yeah, what we're going to do is we're actually going to close this, and we're going to go back to CRM. We're in our opportunities area here. I'm going to take our open opportunities view here, and all I'm going to do is click export to Excel. Now from here, we've already done a static worksheet before and a dynamic worksheet. We're going to select dynamic pivot table. We click next, and then we're going to pick out some columns that we want to use for fields. So we want to make sure we have accounts here, and as we scroll down the list, we can pick a few more things. Well, we want estimated closed in our estimated revenue. We want the owner. We don't need potential customer really. We don't need probability. We need rating, and we want our sales stage. So once we've got our columns here, we'll click export, and we're actually going to save this to over the other one we currently have called pipeline. So we'll save this, click yes, and now that we've saved it, we click open. Excel will open, and you'll notice that we have some security warnings. Basically, Excel's telling us CRM is trying to access these Excel sheets, so we click enable editing, and then we're going to click enable content. So we click enable content, and now you can see here we've basically got our pivot table here where we can drop some fields over here to kind of give us our data. So what we're going to do first is we're going to take owner, and we're going to put it down in the rows section here. And we're going to take estimated revenue, and we're going to slide it on over to the values section. But what we're going to do is this is giving us a count of our estimated revenues. We want to click this drop down arrow here, select field value settings, and change that to sum. Now this gives us the sum of all of our estimated revenue for our owners.
So how do I get a pivot chart out of this?
Simple. All we have to do is just click pivot chart here, and then select the chart of our choice. So we're going to go for a pie graph here, and I'm going to click OK. And now we have here our pie. And if we want to get some more data, what we can do is click on this chart style button here, and we're going to select this third chart. Now this gives us a percentage of who has percentages of estimated revenue.
Well, that's great. Well, thank you, Cal. So in conclusion, we can use Excel to create a report that helps the salesperson customize their pipeline review with their salespeople. And this provides the sales manager with an instant report with the current data.